Welcome to this MicroMetl installation video for the Variable Frequency Drive, or VFD. This video will walk you through the proper steps to set up and program the VFD for use in your HVAC system. To connect high voltage power to the power exhaust, begin by opening the main access door. Inside, you'll find a small box secured with 4 screws. This is where the high voltage connections should be made. Feed the power wires through the designated knockout on the front of this box. This is where the conduit should attach to the power exhaust. Important: the power exhaust requires its own dedicated power source. Do not connect it through the RTU unless your local building code explicitly permits it. Once the wires are in place, reinstall the 4 screws to secure the box, then close the main access door. If your system includes an economizer and you want your VFD to operate alongside it, you'll need to run the yellow and brown wires through the control box and into the back of the power exhaust. These wires must then be connected directly to the economizer. Be sure to follow your economizer's installation guide for detailed instructions on wiring the power exhaust to the economizer. If connecting the power exhaust to an economizer, first remove the jumper wire between the yellow DI1 and orange 24V wires. Then, connect the relay's yellow and orange wires to the corresponding yellow and orange wires where the jumper was removed. If you are not using the power exhaust with an economizer, do not remove the jumper. Note, that jumper provides 24 volts to DI1, keeping the drive active. In addition to an economizer, you can also use an N switch, or a BMS, to control when the drive is active or in sleep mode. Let's get started by opening the access panel to reach the VFD drive. Upon power up, the VFD will enter operating mode after a short initialization phase. The keypad will display the current status of the inverter. Only a few keys are functional during MicroMetl VFD. The up and down arrows for navigation, the enter key to access and confirm selections, and the exit key to cancel or go back. Important: for safety, the stop motor key is active. However, the start motor key will not restart the blower once stop has been pressed. To restart the blower, follow these steps. Press the start motor key. This will change the display from K-stop to stop. Then, reset the start-stop signal using one of the following methods. Remove the signal between terminals 24 volts and DI1 for about 3 seconds. Unplug the 6-pin connector for about 3 seconds. Or cycle power to the unit. Be sure the display goes completely blank before restoring power. To change the pressure set point, press either the up or down arrow while in operating mode. The display will show 50, representing 0.05 inches WC. Press the up or down arrow again to adjust the value. Once set, hold the enter key until the set icon stops blinking to store the value. Note: the control and RF keys are not used. Pressing them will display an error. To access editable parameters in the VFD, only parameters in Group 0, labeled as Favorites, can be adjusted. While in operating mode, press Enter. A password prompt will appear in the upper left. and 0 will appear in the lower right. Press Enter again. Group 0 will be displayed. Press Enter once more. A parameter such as P100 will appear. Use the up and down arrows to scroll through available parameters. Press Enter to edit a selected parameter. Adjust the value using the up and down keys. Press Enter again to confirm the new value. If the set icon is blinking, your changes have not been saved to memory. To save them permanently, press and hold the Enter key for more than 3 seconds. Then, cycle power to apply the changes. To restore MicroMetl OEM values, navigate to Group 0 using the steps above. Scroll to P701.05 to reset to MicroMetl OEM values. Change the value from 0 to 1 and press Enter. Important, executing this reset will erase all user settings. Once reset, you can reprogram your desired values using the same steps. Do not use P700.01 to reset to lens factory defaults, as this is not recommended. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact MicroMetl Customer Service. We're here to help. To help our customer service team assist you as quickly as possible, please provide the production order number, either a BR or PRD code. You'll find this on the label located on the product itself or its packaging, depending on the item. If you're reaching out about a factory-built product from MicroMetl, please contact the factory directly rather than going through MicroMetl. This allows them to work with us more efficiently to resolve any issues. Thanks for watching this MicroMetl installation video for the variable frequency drive. For more information, documentation, or support, visit micrometl.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future MicroMetl product guides and walkthroughs.